Hello guys, I'm Big Gio. You're welcome to my channel Learning the Guitar with Big Gio. Today I'll be showing you how to play the C major scale in 2 octave. C major scale like the Re Mi Fa Sol La Ti Do. I'll be showing you how to play it in 2 octave. So firstly, I'm going to show you how to play it from our A pattern. This is our A pattern. So from our A pattern, we'll shifting it to our G pattern. So that's it. From here to here. So we are playing it from our A pattern like this: C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. So continuing from C, C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. So that's how to play it. You're going to use your first finger on the second fret, your second finger on the third fret, your third finger on the fourth fret, and your fourth finger on the fifth fret. So once you do that, we'll play from C, then D, then E, F, G, A, remember, C. So this, you're shifting your first finger from the second fret to the fifth fret. So from this fifth fret, you do the same thing. 1, we take care of this. 2, we take care of this. 3, we take care of this. 4, we take care of this. So we are playing it from our fifth fret, which is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. So yeah. For easier transition, you just have to use this only finger to play this A, B, C. So if you are coming back, the same thing. So you just use only this finger to play A, B, C. So that's it on 2 octave. So just practice with it.